Welcome students once again to the accounting session. So in today's session we will prepare one more trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So let's take one problem here. Prepare trading account, P&L account and balance sheet on the following information. So let's take on trial balance. This is the trial balance. Particulars: debitor, creditor, capital 2,50,000, stock 1,42,000 is 30,000, purchases 1,50,000, wages 10,000, salaries 40,000, freight 15,000, carriage inwards 5,000, sales 2,60,000, furniture 40,000, building 1,60,000, investments 25,000, rent 25,000. Creditors 30,000, cash 22,000, printing and stationery 8,000. Both side total 250, 260, 510, 540, 180, 190, 230, 250, 290, 290 plus 60, 350, 450, 530. 180, 190, 230, 250, 250, 290, 350, 450, 530. 18,000 है printing and stationery. 5,40,000 both sides. Write down this trial balance. Left side adjustments here. First, closing stock is valued at rupees 30,000, 50,000. Outstanding wages rupees 5,000. Outstanding rent rupees 5,000. Commission due but not received rupees 10,000. So this is the other information which is provided. Now let's prepare the trading account and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. To opening stock rupees 30,000. So this comes in trading account. Always I have said you to mark first. This is balance sheet, trading, 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 P&L, trading, 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 balance sheet, balance sheet, balance sheet, P&L, balance sheet, balance sheet, P&L. So opening stock, 2 purchases, $150,000. 2 wages, 10,000, and outstanding wages is outstanding 5,000, 15,000. Salaries will come in the P&L account. To freight, $15,000. Carriage inwards, Carriage inwards 5,000. Sales 2,60,000. Closing stock 50,000. So there are no other items other than this in trading account altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sales. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. 6 items are there. So 3,10,000 is the total of credit side. On the debit side, 30,000 plus 1,50,000, 180. 180 plus 30, 210, 210, 215. So 3,10,000 minus 2,15,000. 3,10,000 minus 2,15,000. 95,000. To gross profit. $95,000. Now we will transfer this gross profit to P&L account. By gross profit brought down 95,000. Now let us see how much is to be debited in the profit and loss account. First is salaries. 2 salaries. There is no outstanding salary, nothing should be added here. 2 salaries, 40,000. Next, P&L account, rent. 2 rent, 25,000 is there. Plus outstanding is there in the adjustment, add it. Plus outstanding. Outstanding means not yet paid. Rent is due, but you have not paid that. Since it is concerned to this year, we should consider that also as expense. Because we are accounting under accrual basis. So next is printing and stationery. 2 printing and stationery. $18,000. On the credit side, commission due but not received. It is not paid, it is received. So it will come on the credit side. Income accrued by commission due but not received. But not received. That is 10,000. So altogether 1,05,000. 1,05,000. So 40 plus 30, 70, 88,000 has to be deducted from this. 1,05,000 minus 98,000. Sorry, it's only 88,000. Net profit is 17,000. Net profit is 17,000. Now you are supposed to prepare what? Balance sheet. You are supposed to prepare what? Balance sheet. So from this information we will prepare what? Balance sheet. So let us rub these adjustments here and we will prepare the balance sheet here only. Balance sheet as on 31st/3/2000. Liabilities amount, assets amount. So on liability side, capital, first you are supposed to consider what? Capital. Capital is 2,50,000 plus net profit, that is 17,000. 2,67,000. Then liability side, creditors. Creditors is 30,000. And outstanding rent and outstanding wages which are due but you are not paid. Whatever you are supposed to pay, it should be shown on liability side. Outstanding wages, first rent, wages you can pay 5,000. Outstanding wages is also how much? 5,000. So let us see on the asset side now. Asset side, furniture is there. 40,000. Building is 1,60,000. $1,60,000 is the building. Investments 25,000. Cash 22,000. Then stock 50,000. Stock 50,000. And commission due but not received. Commission due. If you are supposed to receive money, it should be shown on the asset side, and if you are supposed to pay money, it should be shown on the liability. But not received. 10,000. So now let us see whether it is tallying or no. 167 plus 30, 267 plus 30, 297, 3,07,000 is the total of liability side. 3,07,000. Let us see on the asset side. 40 plus 160, 2,02,25. 225 plus 22, 247. 247 plus 50, 297 plus 10,000, that is 3,07,000. So this is how we prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So we will see some more problems based on this in next sessions, and then we will finish up with the last chapter, that is incomplete records. So that is single entry system.